state and prove Pascal's law. State and prove Pascal's law. Suppose this is one closed sphere. If I make hole in this sphere at several places, and here I apply force, that means pressure, will the liquid come out through all the holes or only in one hole? This liquid will come out through all the hole. Hello? Yes. So he said that if we take liquid, that confined liquid or closed liquid, and if pressure is exerted at one point, it gets equally transmitted in all direction. This is called as Pascal's law. If you take, suppose this is container fitted with piston, if I apply pressure here, this pressure will get transmitted undiminished to the other piston. That is called Pascal's law. But liquid must be closed first. So state and prove Pascal's law. First I am telling explanation, statement, then we'll see how it can be proved. State, yes.
Sir, but from the top, the force will be less now.
No, we are talking about pressure, not force.
Yeah, sir. From the top, the pressure will be less, right?
No, pressure you are applying same. Force may be less or more at different point depending upon area.
But sir, gravity will be affecting the top now.
Gravity affects the top only if the distance is more than 10 meters. Otherwise, negligible effect.
Sir, Matma?
P is H rho G for liquid. You are applying pressure by hand, not by liquid. Na? What you are telling is pressure due to this will be what? What we are telling, we are applying pressure. Then it will get transferred in all directions.
Equally.
Equally. Okay. Throughout the liquid. Have you heard about brake? Hydraulic brake कार में रहता है. तो brake का जो pedal होता है ना, that is very small. So when you apply force on that small area, that means pressure is more. Then it goes to tire of larger area and tire stops.
Yeah.
So through that liquid, that pressure has went now. That is Pascal's law actually. So statements. Okay. Statement first. Very important in wherever we have to transmit the force from one place to another through liquid. So that branch of physics is actually called as pneumatic or hydraulic branch. The pressure. Have you gone to barber shop? Anybody has gone to barber shop? कौन सा बार्बर मुलुंड में फेमस है आपका? शिवा?
हाँ, स्टाइलो.
तो स्टाइलो, ओके. तो उसका टेबल पे बैठने के बाद उसका आदमी लोग ऐसा कभी प्रेस करते हैं ना, कैंडी को अपना सीट ऊपर जाता है ना ऐसा.
हाँ.
तो that is hydraulic. He is applying pressure through the liquid. That pressure is transmitted upward, and we are getting lifted upward. Okay.
Oh, okay.
The pressure exerted anywhere. Pressure exerted anywhere in a confined liquid. Confined means closed liquid. Pressure exerted anywhere in a confined liquid is transmitted equally and undiminished. Equally and undiminished in all directions throughout the liquid. Again, I'm repeating, the pressure exerted in a confined liquid. Very important. It is not applied to open liquid. It is applied to the liquid which is closed in a container. So pressure exerted anywhere in confined liquid is transmitted. Transmitted means passed. How? Unequally and undiminished in all directions throughout the liquid. Statement clear? The pressure exerted anywhere in confined liquid is transmitted equally and undiminished in all directions throughout the liquid. Right statement, then proof will do by experiment. State and explain they can ask, or sometimes state and prove. The pressure exerted anywhere in a confined liquid is transmitted equally and undiminished in all directions throughout the liquid.
Sir, undiminished means?
Undiminished means no loss.
Okay.
Equally मतलब right में 10 तो left में भी 10. Undiminished मतलब no loss. Meaning actually equally and undiminished are same. हाँ, undiminished का मतलब क्या कि अगर आपने दिया 10, then it will go 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 only everywhere, not 8, 8, 8 everywhere. Suppose I give pressure 10, then it is first undiminished, means 10 will remain 10, and then everywhere equal 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So pressure exerted anywhere in confined liquid is transmitted equally and undiminished in all directions throughout the liquid.
Sir, why does gravity not affect this?
Gravity will affect what? Due to liquid column pressure, no? We are telling pressure exerted means applied.
Okay.
मतलब एक सपोज आपने बलून लिया, उसके अंदर लिक्विड भरा, तो उसका प्रेशर है, बट आपने स्क्वीज कर दिया तो आपने अप्लाई किया ना प्रेशर, दैट प्रेशर का बात किया टॉपिक. Yes, can I clear it?
Yes.
Okay. They can ask you state and explain, huh? Now explanation, see. Consider a glass flask. This is one glass flask with narrow opening. Glass flask fitted with piston. Draw along with me. From here we are applying. Pressure means we are pushing it downward. Flask with piston. Draw along with me. One pipe is connected here. To the bottom, we are connecting one pipe. Second pipe connected here at another point. Third pipe connected. Fourth pipe connected here. This is filled with liquid. All are at same height initially. Jet of water. Jets of water reaching same height. This is suppose initial height. Initial level of water. So after pushing, it is find that jet of water reaches same height. That means all receive same heat, same force. Just draw the diagram, then I'm explaining. Chalo, diagram done? Okay.
Then we have to mark the initial level of water at
Yes,
the end
yes,
of the
yes,
tube.
yes. You have to same straight line you have to mark, anywhere you can mark, and then final is same. Shall I clear the diagram? Yes, done. Arav done?
Yeah, sir.
Shamyak, Bhavya, Devansh.
Sir, 1 second, sir. 1 second.
Okay, Vedant, Abhig, Nimay, Jash,
Yes, sir.
Bhavya.
Yes.
Okay. Can I clear?
Sir, 1 second. Yeah, sir.
Okay. Consider a glass flask having narrow tubes fitted at its sides as shown. Consider glass flask having narrow tubes fitted at its sides as shown. The flask is filled with air tight piston is filled with water. The flask is filled with water and fitted with airtight piston. The initial level of liquid is found to be same in all narrow tubes. When the pressure is applied to the piston from top, the jets of water. Okay, please copy this much. Consider glass flask having narrow tubes fitted at its side as shown. The flask is filled with water and fitted with airtight piston. The initial level of liquid is found to be same in all narrow tubes. When pressure is applied to the piston from top, the jets of water coming out through each tubes reaches same height. Consider a glass flask having narrow tubes fitted at its side. It is filled with water and fitted with airtight piston. When the pressure is applied to the piston from top, jets of water coming out through each tube reaches same height. This shows that pressure is transmitted equally in all directions. Pressure is transmitted equally in all directions.
Sir, the initial level of water in all the narrow-tubes is same because of the law we studied, na?
Yes, very good.
All liquids seeks its
Perfect,
water.
perfect, perfect. Done? All of you have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I clear it? Yes, can I clear?
1 minute.
Now I think at least everybody has done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Applications of Pascal's law. Hydraulic. Hydraulic means machine containing liquid or fluid, we can say. Hydraulic machines. All hydraulic machines, they work on Pascal's law.
Sir, even hydraulic press.
Yes. Hydraulic machines such as hydraulic press, comma, hydraulic jack, which is used to lift the cars. Hydraulic press, hydraulic jack, and hydraulic brakes works on principle of Pascal's law. Hydraulic machines such as hydraulic press, hydraulic jack, hydraulic brakes works on principle of Pascal's law. Hydraulic machines such as hydraulic press, hydraulic jack, hydraulic brake works on the principle of Pascal's law. That means you apply pressure at one point, it gets transmitted undiminished equally on other side. Done? Okay. Just think.
Sir,
and
1
tell.
minute, sir.
Hurry to, no, don't do. No, aa gaya. अभिक
Yes, sir.
सर हो गया.
बट सही फेंकते हैं ना आप. क्या बोला, सही लपेट रहे सर. आज मैंने तो आपको भेज दिया, आपको मिला नहीं है ना.
हाँ सर, वही कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम था.
हाँ, प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, लिखा ही नहीं था आपने.
सर मेरे नोटबुक में था, मैंने फिर से स्कैन करके आपको भेज दिया.
हाँ, वो तो आराम से लिखा होगा ना, फिर बात है. या तो लिखते लिखते आप खाना पीना खा के आराम से सो गए. Shall I clear this? Okay, just tell me. Suppose pressure P1 is same as P2. Pressure means force upon area, na? Force upon area, no?
Yes, sir.
I imagine this is 10. Your ratio is 10. Then if this is 10, this is 20. What will make answer 10? Here 2 and here 1, na?
Yes, sir.
So that means small force, small area, large force, large area. Then only they are matching.
Sir, that is why liquids का pressure does not depend on the width of the column.
नहीं वो अलग केस है, ये अलग है. ये हम लोग ट्रांसमिशन वाला बात है ना. प्रेशर तो 10 है, फॉर एग्जांपल बोल रहा हूं. तो एक पिस्टन पे 10 अप्लाई किया, एरिया 1, तो प्रेशर कितना दिया मैंने? 10. दूसरा पिस्टन बड़ा है, तो एरिया बड़ा है, तो ये फोर्स भी बड़ा हो जाता है ना उसमें. That means suppose this is base where I have placed my car, which is to be lifted. And here there is small base where I am applying force. So small force applied on small gets transmitted as large force on large area. Then only pressure will be same.
Yes, sir.
Bouncer here, so imagine we are telling pressure is same. Ek example bola, suppose ये 10 10 है. So if force is 10, then area should be 1, na? But if force is 20, then area should be 2 or not. Then only answer will be 10. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I say force applied on smaller area gets transmitted as large force on larger area?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are doing what is principles of hydraulic machine. Means how they can lift heavy particle when we apply small force. Hydraulic.
Sir, this means that when we are standing and when a car is standing beside us, the pressure exerted is same.
हाँ, but force exerted is different.
हाँ, मतलब area changes.
हाँ, because of that force changes. So if you have seen place where they lift the car for cleaning, तो हाथ से उठाते हैं क्या वो लोग?
नहीं.
मतलब 4-5 जन ऐसा हाथ से कार लेके खड़े रहते हैं, नीचे से एक पाइप लेके क्लीन करता है क्या कार को?
नहीं.
नहीं. तो बाय हाइड्रोलिक प्रेशर एक जगह से प्रेशर देते हैं, छोटा जगह से, लार्जर एरिया पे कार है और बीच में कनेक्टिंग रहता है ट्यूब. सो स्मॉल force on small area becomes large force on large area of car and it gets lifted up. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So the principle of hydraulic machine fix आने वाला ये. The principle of hydraulic machine is that small force applied on a smaller piston is transmitted, force upon area means pressure, is transmitted as large force on bigger piston. Okay, right. Principle of hydraulic machine is that small force applied on smaller piston is transmitted as large force on bigger piston. Then we'll prove this. Pressure of hydraulic machine, principle of hydraulic machine is that small force applied on smaller piston is transmitted as large force on bigger piston. If you are done, then please tell me so that we can use the Pascal's law and explain how it is.
So
Written?
1 minute.
Yeah. By the time, can anybody tell? So how many cylinders we require? 1 or 2? For this hydraulic machine?
Two, sir.
टू क्योंकि एक जगह पे अप्लाई करेंगे and then it will get transmitted to the other, and in between it should be connected, no? And because it is hydraulic, it should be filled with fluid also, because through that liquid the pressure will be transmitted equally and undiminished in all directions. So shall I clear this and draw the diagram?
Sir, 1 minute.
Ivani, thoda fast. Force applied on smaller piston is transmitted as large force on bigger piston.
Done, sir.
Okay. So we require one small cylinder, one large cylinder, one fitted with smaller piston, other fitted with larger piston. Both are connected by a narrow cylinder and filled with fluid. So one cylinder narrow, other cylinder wider. Both are connected together by a horizontal cylinder. Both are connected together by horizontal cylinder and filled with fluid. Filled with fluid. Draw these two cylinders. This is fitted with one piston. This is fitted with larger piston. Filled with fluid throughout. Here we apply pressure P1 such that force acting is F1. Area of this is A1. This gets transmitted upward as P2. So force acting is F2. Area of the piston is A2. Piston B. This one is piston A. So we have to prove that you are giving small force that acts as large force in upward direction on second piston. This is pressure acting downward. Here the pressure will be acting upward. Again, if you complete, tell me.
Sir, it is piston only, na?
Both are piston, A and B. Piston is nothing but a rigid support
Yeah,
which
sir,
can be
it was
moved to and
only
fro.
Pistoma.
Pistoma? No, piston. No, ma. Only piston. Shall I clear it?
Sir, what is after piston? That A.
Piston A,
So,
piston B. लावारिस ने नाम है उसका. Piston A, piston B. First piston we have given the name piston A. Second is piston B. Yes, done the diagram.
Sir, 1 second. Sir, where do we mark A1, B1? Why do we mark A1?
A1 is area of cross section.
Okay.
So I'm clearing this diagram now.
Sir, wait.
Done. Can I clear?
Yes, sir, done.
एक सेकंड रुको, कौन कौन मिस हो गया जरा देखता हूँ. Diagram done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First mathematical part I'm explaining, then I will discuss about that instruments used. By Pascal's law, pressure at first piston is transmitted equally to the second piston. So F1 upon A1 will be F2 upon A2. So can I say F2 will be F1 A1 upon A2 by cross multiplying? Hello? Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me A1 is greater than A2 or less than A2?
Less.
If
Sir,
A1,
You
yes,
have written F1 A1 upon A2. It should be A2 upon A1. Na?
F2 equals to F1, yeah, A2 upon A1. A2, is it greater than A1? So A2 upon A1 will be greater than what?
Yes, sir.
Nimai? Nimai?
Hello,
Hello?
sir.
Where were you?
Sir, I got disconnected.
No, you got disconnected. I know that. Purposely you get disconnected, and when I inform your mom you are getting connected.
Sir, no, sir, not purposely.
Don't tell
Net
me
was
all.
down.
Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. I don't want to listen all this. Be connected properly. I very well know how to change the student. Don't worry about that. When I'm polite doesn't mean that I cannot analyze. So A2 is greater than A1. That means A2 upon A1 should be greater than 1. So F2 will be greater than F1. because you multiply F1 with 1, then answer will come F1 only. But if I multiply by 2, then it will come 2F1. So F2 is greater than F1, not followed by, because multiplier is greater than 1. Okay, now see first theory. So that means you applied small force on small piston, it got transmitted as large force on large piston. So consider two cylinders P and Q having area of cross section A1 and A2 such that in bracket A1 less than A2. Let the two cylinders be connected Consider two cylinders P and Q having area of cross section A1, A2, A1 less than A2. Let the two cylinders be connected together by horizontal cylinder and filled with liquid. Please copy this 4-5 lines, then I'm writing further. Consider two cylinders P and Q having area of cross section A1, A2, A1 less than A2. Let the two cylinders be connected together by horizontal cylinder and filled with liquid.
Just 1 minute, don't.
You know, only I wrote that 2 lines. Filled with liquid. Let F1 be force applied on piston A of let F1 be force applied on piston A of area A1. F2 be force transmitted F2 be the force transmitted on piston B of area A2. Completed till let the cylinders be connected together.
No, sir.
Not yet. Hello.
No, sir. No, sir. Not yet.
I'm
After filled with liquid, you will start from here. Let F1 be the force applied.
where did we, from where, from where do we have to start writing?
Have you completed from this full till this you have completed?
Acha, हाँ, that I have completed.
Okay, everybody has completed till this? A1, A2, that all,
Sir.
everybody, okay.
Sir,
Then write-
actually, I started writing this one first, so I will write that numerical thing after this.
What you are saying, I don't understand. When
No,
I
no,
told
sir.
I have to, you start at the way I'm telling. If not, then again I will write. What else I can do?
No, no, sir. I wrote this writing part first, and F1, A1, F2, A2, F2 is equals to F1, A2 upon A1.
Hey,
That
what you are saying, man? Did I said to you to write? You write anything, anywhere you will write, and you will get the mark. Again, I will write. What else I can do? In spite of telling so much, you are trying your own method.
No, no, sir. Actually, I forgot to write. That's why.
Forgot
Sir,
to write, then cancel that and write again.
Yeah, sir. Sir, first you have to write this by Pascal's law, na?
Wait, again I'm writing. You people are behaving like so much kiddish. What to write first? You are telling me now that. When I already explained first, you will write consider. I told mathematical part I'm explaining first, but you start writing from here. Still you can't hear. Write again then. Simple things you all don't understand. It is that means you are not attentive. Right now again then. Consider two cylinders P and Q having area of cross section. Shamyak, you are saying, na?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I've written.
What I don't understand here, how this type of childish behavior you can do. When I said okay, first I'm explaining you mathematical part, writing you start from here, then also you are telling I did from here. Anything you write, you any order you will get the mark. Tell me.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I forgot. Sorry, sir. I
Don't
will
tell all
write
this
it.
foolishness things. I become upset. Consider two cylinders having area of cross section A1 and A2 fitted with another horizontal cylinder. Let F1 be the force applied on piston A having area of cross section A1. F2 be force transmitted on piston B of area of cross section A2 by Pascal's law. P1 is P2. So F1 upon A1 is F2 upon A2. F2 equals to A2 upon A1 into F1. A2 is greater than A1. A2 upon A1 will be greater than 1. So F2 will be greater than F1.
Done, sir.
Okay, till last 10 everybody is done.
Done, sir.
So last line will come. Thus, small force on small area. Thus, small force on small area is transmitted as small force on small area is transmitted as large force on large area. Is transmitted as large force on large area. Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
So we can say thus hydraulic machine behaves as force multiplier. Behaves as force multiplier. This also written?
Yes.
Okay. Now planner I have given to you, please stick to it.